And Hardie's a fantastic product, but it's only as good as it's installed and its installers will do it. When you're installing James Hardie on a roof line, you always want to have a 2-inch clearance. And the reason why is moisture and snow will sit there, and Hardie can't sit in water. And so what a lot of contractors do is they run the siding really tight to the roof line. But what happens is over time, the siding actually fails. We actually had a job out here in Falcon Ridge where a big Hardie contractor installed the siding really tight in the roof line, and it started to deteriorate and fail. So that's a huge problem. Another thing is when it comes to house wrap, water and moisture is undefeated. And so when you look at house wrap, a lot of times you see it flapping in the wind. It's because they staple it or they nail it, but they don't tape the seams. So every time basically you roll out a sheet of house wrap, we use Hardie wrap because it makes sense to have a system warranty by the manufacturer. We actually tape everything. So it's airtight and it's watertight. Most contractors don't do that. They just nail it and walk away because it takes too much time. Another thing you'll see on this job is they over-drove the nail heads. And so it actually looks like you see a bunch of dimples and like someone walk by with a hammer and hit the siding. That's no good. Probably the other last thing that's super important is when you're actually installing Hardie, you need to hit the studs. So if you don't hit the studs, it voids a warranty. Hitting in studs is actually what allows the product to have its integrity and allows your home to be safe. One of the things that we do differently is we actually use what's called the Tetra nail. It's actually a screw that Hardie developed to be used with their siding. We use it on every single job. We're the only contractor in Kansas City. The reason why most people don't use it is because it's expensive. It's 4 times the cost of a regular fastener, but it's stainless steel. It's gonna last forever. And when you use it, you never have to buy hidden studs. It's warranted without having to measure to hit studs. So every time you use Fairway exteriors, you don't have to worry about the product's integrity. You don't have to worry about the fasteners corroding. We do it the right way every single time.